I hit this issue to date, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to check your payment history on Zelle, follow these simple steps. Step 1. Open the Zelle app. Launch the Zelle app on your smartphone. Make sure you are logged into your account to access all features. Step 2. Navigate to Activity. Once you're in the app, look for the Activity tab at the bottom of the screen. This section contains all your transactions. Step 3. Review payment history. In the Activity section, you will see a list of your recent payments and requests. Scroll through to find a specific transaction you want to review. Step 4. Select a transaction. Tap on any transaction to view more details, including the date, amount, and recipient. This will give you a comprehensive view of your payment history. Step 5. Filter transactions if needed. If you're looking for a specific payment, you can use the filter option usually represented by a funnel icon to sort by date or amount. This can save you time if you have many transactions. Remember, if you don't see the Activity tab, ensure you have the latest version of the app installed. Happy tracking!